Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out Apple's latest powerhouse, the iPad Pro M5. And honestly, guys, Apple really went all out this time. The moment you open the box, you instantly feel that premium Apple vibe. Slim, solid, and beautifully sleek. Talking about the build first. It comes with a glass front and an aluminum frame. And it feels super premium in hand. Now the display, it's just stunning. Apple's new tandem OLED technology makes colors look incredibly vibrant. The brightness is insane. And that refresh rate, it's buttery smooth. Scrolling feels like gliding on air. Performance-wise, this thing is a beast. It's powered by the new Apple M5 chip, which Apple claims is up to 40 to 50% faster than the M4. And honestly, you can feel it, whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or using heavy apps, it just flies. You can get up to 1 terabyte of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, it's basically giving laptop-level performance in a tablet. As for cameras, Apple kept it clean. A 12MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera, perfect for video calls or quick content shots. Battery life is also really solid. It easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And of course, if you pair it with the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, it turns into a complete professional workstation. The iPad Pro M5 is honestly one of the best picks right now.